Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create high converting Facebook ads copy with AI. Okay, so and this AI I'm going to use OpenAI, which if you want to create an account you need to go to openai.com. okay, and then you can create a free account there. So you're going to use ChatGPT, so you're going to go to try ChatGPT, okay, and then you can be able to create the account. Okay, so you sign up through that. Okay, so that's how to do that. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, now you want to create a Facebook account, so I'm going to do it in such a way that I'm going to run ads for selling luxury shoes. Okay, so I have a full detailed tutorial on how to run Facebook ads from A to Z, and I'll put it in the comment section. However, if you have any other thing that you want me to do video on, let me know. Okay, so let's get started. Now, one thing we should know is that if, let's say, I write, so I can type that I want to run or create Facebook ads, okay, and just type, and then I'm going to get everything right away from ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you how to do it the normal way, and I'm going to give you unique prompts that you can do, and it can give you high converting ad copy. So let's push now. So the first thing is that I'm going to write that a Facebook ad copy, okay, for luxury shoes for men. Okay, so when you do it this way, of course you're going to get a feedback, but here's the case that you want to also add certain elements so that you can get ad copy, okay, the right ad copy, and then that can convert. Okay, so if you do this, you can see elevate your style with elegance, step into the sophistication with our exclusive collection of luxury men's shoes. But when it comes to marketing, particularly marketing, there are other things we call copywriting frameworks. Okay, so let's look at how we can incorporate copywriting frameworks into our AI prompt so that we can get a high converting ad copy. So first of all, ask it, give me 10 top 10, okay, 10 copy writing frameworks, okay, copywriting frameworks for digital marketing. Right, so this is what I'm going to do. So now you can see that ChatGPT is giving me these top 10 copywriting frameworks. So now that you have your copywriting frameworks, okay, now you can now give a different prompt. So if you see this, okay, I'm going to ask this. So okay, I want you to write a Facebook ad copy using the copywriting framework. Then let's go to the framework. So let's look at this. Now I want you to pay attention to this style. Now you have either, which is attention, interest, design, action. So we can decide that we'll choose this framework. Okay, so there's it, this, all right, and give the name of my brand is shoes in style. So for instance, this is it. Okay, so I give enter, and look at what it's going to be. Okay, so now you can see that now we are using a particular framework, and we're telling ChatGPT to follow that framework to run the ad copy, to write the ad copy for us. So you can see that now it's giving an unleash your style with shoes in style. So elevate your footwear game to new heights with shoes in style, where fashion meets comfort. So interest. But remember this, if you are writing, don't add this one. ChatGPT is giving you that this part is the interest side, and this part is the desire side. So take note of this, and then this part is the action side. So that's something that I want you to look at very well. So exclusive offer. So the same thing, I can say that I want you to write. I'm copying everything, and then this time I'll say this one, Facebook add headlines. Okay, so headlines, and this what you have, boom. So we have the headlines. So it's telling you these are various headlines. Then I can tell you that add hooks to the above. All right, so if now let's look at what it's going to say. All right, so this is something that you want to look at carefully. So attention, so this one, don't add this attention, but it's like stop scrolling, unveil the magic of style with shoes styles. So it's what ChatGPT is telling you, that this headline is an attention headline, this headline is an interest headline, this headline is a desire headline, this headline is an action headline. Now what you can do is that since he's giving you 10, you can take your time and go through and write these 10 headlines. Then after getting these 10 headlines, you take your time, pick them, and then you can do what? Test and test and test and see which one best work for you or for your brand. Okay, so this is something you want to take your time, do it, play with these prompts. Let me know your thoughts. Has it been helpful for you? And then I want you to also like and subscribe so that you can help support my channel to grow. So this is something that I've given you, and I'm hoping it's going to help you so much. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. See you.